Yep, I am Cyriac Joseph. I am the founder and CEO of Squadrone Infra and Mining Pvt Ltd. We are in India, based in Bangalore in India. Now we are venturing into the Middle East and Africa. So that's how we are here. So we believe in digital transformation of the mining industry, and we focus on productivity, safety, and mineral find. So that's our so in case of we are partnered with Skyos from the US. We are into AI and ML in the mining industry, large operations. You can you fly the drones 30-40 square kilometers, and immediately you can get all sorts of analytics. Just upload the photos, and then it's a cloud-based platform. And once you upload the photos, you get all sorts of analytics like your bench width, height, and then you can do further. You can focus on drilling and blasting, blast monitoring, and you can analyze your your drilling and analysis on a day-to-day basis. And we have done this in several companies, and we also done a lot of case studies where we have seen how people were not able to control, and there was as high as 40% excess drilling. And then you can do the fragmentation analysis, and you can tell you how is the fragmentation, how is it performing. You can do on a daily basis with AI and ML and machine learning. So the learning it keeps upgrading, and then that's what it does on the AI and ML side. Then we got the magnetometers for geophysical surveys. So this is again drone based. You don't have to enter the areas at all, and then it is very fast. No need of making roads. No need of exposing your geologist to the wild or harsh conditions. And then it can go up to a depth. We normally say it can go up to a depth of 1 kilometer, that's 1,000 meters below the ground, and then it's used for prospecting. So the biggest advantage is on time. So you get to save time 10x. You can in fact what you do in 1 year, you do it in a month, and what you do in 3 to 4 years, you do it in about 6 to 7 months. And very important for the exploration industry, because that's where it matters. You fast track your exploration, take your decision, go for the prospecting. Good, take it. Not good, just leave it. So it cuts off all your the dead time, and then it focuses exactly, gives you where you have to focus, and then straight away you can go into this. It's a beautiful one. This is from the Geometrics US, and we are servicing it. I'll tell you one very good example recently which we did. We were in a lead zinc deposit in Gujarat in India, and there were very strong thorns which goes through your shoes. So geologists couldn't even enter these areas, whereas we did the entire prospecting, and what was waiting for last I think 8 to 10 years because of various reasons, we did it in just about 7 days time. So that's the power of this. And then this is another one which we are doing. This is called Hover Map. So this we will be taking it underground. This is useful for mapping all underground, especially the underground stopes. Today, stopes is very difficult to even with the cavity mounting system (CMS), it's very difficult. People have to get exposed to the close to and safety, and we have lost a lot of people in the front line, fall of roofs even before they could inspect. So that's where we can do this totally autonomous. You stand away 50 meters away, measure your stopes perfectly, get it, and then further when you want to do backfilling of your stopes, you can see that. Even your reverse engineering. In fact, a lot of places we have seen that the drawings are still in not even in blueprint form. This you can reverse engineer, you can get it, convert it into CAD files, and keep it in digital form. So you can digitize your exploration, you can digitize your open pit mining, including blasting and production, and you can include the total bore map, the underground operations, rescue. Rescue is a big time affair here. Apart from that, we are getting into further. We can even do river profiling, or exploration below rivers, and we can do industrial inspection as well. So these are things which we do. We are a mining company. We're basically a mining company, applying drones, mining and exploration consultants, and we are applying drones into these sectors. So our focus is on minerals, mining, and safety of the operations. So straight away, so if there's anything, just feel free to contact us. This at www.squadrone.co.in. It's SQUADRONE.co.in. So we'll be glad we could definitely be your progress partners and accelerate your business. Thanks.